I've just made this awesome looking button. It looks exactly how I want it to, but now I want to use it again. So I'm going to copy and paste it and call it Cool Button 2. This is the first step into a programming nightmare. What if later I decide I don't like the colors anymore? I would have to revisit all the buttons and change them individually. Can you see how this would be a headache as you grow and scale your app? This would make you lose motivation and probably give up on your project just because of how you started. If you just give me a few minutes of your time now, I will save you hours down the track. So the solution is by making a custom button component with its variants as well. So we have the custom button variant, which has a primary and secondary case. It's an enum. The background color on primary will be black. The secondary background color will be white. The foreground color on the primary will be white, and the foreground color on the secondary will be black. So these are the differences between each of the variants. At the same point, we have a button size variant, which is small and medium. And this means that you can combine the small with the primary and the secondary and use them to just edit the button separate from its color variation. So the horizontal padding will differ on both variants, same with the vertical, and also the font size. So the small will have less padding and also will have smaller font size. So then inside the custom button style, we have the variant and the size, which are passed in, and then the make body function. Here we apply all the modifiers using the variant and the size. So size.font will set the font, padding will be set by the sizes, the styling will be set by the variant, and then anything that's applied to all of them will just be added as well. Then down here, all we do is we create the custom button, which takes in text and the variants, and then we apply them to the button style and pass them in. And then this is how you use it. It's this simple. You have a custom button with the text, and you pass in what variants you like. The primary with small, primary with medium by default, secondary with small, and then secondary with the medium default. And you can see right here, they are all looking really nice. And so just by taking this small step at the beginning of your project, you're going to save yourself so much time. Because if you need to go back and change maybe the secondary color, you can just do it in one line. You don't have to revisit all the spots that you used the secondary. Yeah, so I hope this helped. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I will reply to every comment.